Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I have this look which is a Valentine's Day inspired look and I hope you guys like it. If you want to know how to get this, keep watching. Look and I hope you guys like it. If you want Valentine's Day outfit inspirations, I've done a Valentine's Day lookbook which is my last video, so go check that out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you think about it, and also happy Valentine's Day to everyone celebrating. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.